everyone, I'm teacher Melike from EnglishCentral. Welcome back. Today we are going to learn about some common preposition mistakes. To start, let's clarify what prepositions are. Prepositions are words that show the relationship between different elements in a sentence. They connect nouns, pronouns, and phrases to other words in a sentence. But sometimes they can be a real challenge. Mistake number 1 is mixing up in and on. In is used to indicate the things that are surrounded by something, while on is used to indicate the top of something. For example, you are in a car but on a bike. Remember, in is for enclosed spaces and on for surfaces. So you could say, I am in a taxi at the moment, or she is on her skateboard. Another mistake is using at and in incorrectly when talking about places. At is used for specific locations, while in is used for larger, more general places. So you can be at the airport, but you can be in the city. Some examples: she lives in New York, or he will be at the bar today. We have a lot of prepositions and they might be a little confusing, but you know where to find more exercises. English Central has more than 20,000 video lessons and 200 plus video courses. Click on the link in the description box to visit our website EnglishCentral.com or download our app English Central to check out our educational materials. We also offer you one free lesson with our teachers so that you can check it all out for yourself. For now, let's continue. Mistake number 3 is mixing up to and for. To is used for indicating a direction or movement, like I'm going to the store. On the other hand, for is used for a purpose. For example, this gift is for you. Make sure you use them correctly to avoid confusion. Mistake number 4 is confusing off and off. Off indicates a possession or belonging, while off means to remove or separate something. For example, the pages of the book and take your shoes off. Now we'll discuss with and by. We use with when talking about being together or having company. As an example, I'm going to the party with my friends. We use by when talking about how something is done, like I traveled by train. To wrap things up, prepositions can be tricky, but with practice and attention, you can master them. Would you like to learn more? Keep watching our channel and you will find out. Or if you're feeling patient, you can click on the link in the description box and visit our website to learn more about it. If you like this video, please consider giving us a like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. And don't forget to comment. I'm thrilled to see what you guys think. Until next time. Bye-bye.